Okay, a little bit of progress on this Porsche 944 to Chevy V8 project. We've entered the cleaning phase. Just power washed the front cross member and steering rack assembly, the front control arms, and the transaxle. That looks a lot better than it did. I bought a short shifter for it. That basically goes on here and reduces the shift throw by, I forget, I think it's like 30 or 40% or something like that. So that'll be nice. Also, I forgot to mention, when I picked up the nose panel and the hood and the new torque tube, I also picked up a set of nice used Coney front struts, Coney Sport adjustable ones, and got those cleaned up today. And also picked up a set of matching rear Coney Sport shocks that are adjustable. Also got the 30mm sway bars for the rear, and that's about that. Yesterday we shipped the torque tube off to get repaired. It'll be back probably in 2.5 or 3 weeks. For the engine, this week the MSD to control the ignition timing arrived. The carburetor arrived. The rebuild kit for the carburetor arrived, and the tuning kit for the carburetor arrived. Still waiting for the intake manifold. That's supposed to get here Monday. So yeah, that's about it.